Hello everybody, welcome to Merry Balloons. Good to see you all after a long time. Well, today special for Christmas, so I'm making a flower bracelet using 3 colors, one white, red 260 and 260 green. So if you want you can change colors, but since it is Christmas season, I am using red and green. So let's inflate the red 260 balloon, maybe 6 pumps. We'll tie a knot. Before tying a knot, release some air and then tie the knot so that the balloon will be soft. Now let's inflate the green one, the green 260 balloon, approximately 6 to 7 pumps again. So we're going to make a flower petal. For this we will be using loop twist. This is a very basic bracelet with 2 balloons. As it's Christmas, I would like to do with 2 Christmas colors. You can see my previous video where I have a single color bracelet. We'll tie both the balloons together. Most probably we can put 2 knots so that it will not come undone. Now we'll give a good squeeze, stretch, and make sure the balloons are soft. We'll make loops. We need 6 loops, 3 red loops and 3 green loops. Now let's measure approximately 4-finger loop and twist it well. It's very simple and easy. Oh, I'm off the camera. Sorry. Okay. Now let's make 2 more red petals, 2 loops with red color. Those will be red petals. Twist it well. Make sure that you twist it round. Just look carefully like how I'm doing. Just rotate it as you go around. Just twist the balloon also in a very gentle manner so that it will not come undone. Now 2 more loops with green. We can use this lovely simple design for our Christmas parties. 1 more loop to go. Very simple basic flower bracelet. Let's arrange it with the alternative colors like red, green, like this. We could just adjust the petals. See, look at this lovely color. Now let's discard whichever is smaller. Now let's discard the red balloon. Just cut it out or trim it out. And we'll tie a knot. Now we will use this green remaining balloon as the loop for wearing it on our hands. While twisting the balloon into the loops, this is how we need to rotate our hands and twist the balloon along so that it will twist well. Hope you got it. Okay, now let's deflate a little. Give a small slit and reduce the air. Make sure you don't release everything at a stretch, but we'll have a little bit of air in it left. Now slowly we will release the air from this tail. We'll make sure we'll have enough loop left in our hands, and we will take the tip of the tail and twist it around the petals a couple of times. Hope you like this simple Christmas design. Pop a thumbs up and share with your friends. So many of you watch without subscribing. Please subscribe my channel. Now we will use the white scrap. So learn to save your scraps. So it's useful for such things. So we need a small bubble here. Just a tiny bubble for the center of the flower. So tie a knot. And let's keep it in the middle of this flower and let us twist around the petals a couple of times with the remaining tail that is there for this white balloon. Our easy, simple bracelet is ready for any Christmas party. You can have different colors like white and blue, or red and white, or you can have green and white. So you can choose your combination colors for this Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed. See you soon with some more Christmas designs. Merry Christmas and happy twisting!